In this video, we'll look at chemical tests for ions and for water, part of your IGCSE Chemistry course. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, test for metal ions or cations using sodium hydroxide. Second, test for anions, carbonate, sulfate, and the halides. And third, test for water. To find which metal ion is present, add sodium hydroxide solution. Many metal ions form a coloured insoluble hydroxide, a precipitate, and the colour identifies them. Copper gives a blue precipitate, iron 2 a green one, and iron 3 a red-brown one. The ammonium ion is different. Warm it with sodium hydroxide and it gives off ammonia gas, which turns damp red litmus blue. Now the negative ions, the anions. For a carbonate, add a dilute acid. It fizzes, giving carbon dioxide, which turns lime water milky. For a sulfate, add dilute acid and then barium chloride solution. A white precipitate of barium sulfate confirms it. For a chloride, add dilute nitric acid and silver nitrate, and you get a white precipitate of silver chloride. Bromides and iodides give the same kind of test, but different colours. A cream precipitate for bromide and a yellow one for iodide. Finally, how to test for water. Add the liquid to white anhydrous copper sulfate. If water is present, it turns blue. Alternatively, blue cobalt chloride paper turns pink in the presence of water. But notice, these tests only show that water is present. To prove the water is pure, you check its boiling point. Pure water boils at exactly 100 degrees Celsius. Anything dissolved in it would raise that temperature. Let's check what you've learned. Question 1. What colour precipitate does Cu2 plus give with NaOH? Question 2. How do you test for a sulfate ion? Question 3. What happens to anhydrous copper sulfate when water is added? Pause the video and have a go. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. 1. Blue. 2. Add dilute acid, then barium chloride. A white precipitate forms. 3. It turns from white to blue. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.